Alright everyone, let's take a look at the British pound. If we take a look at the hourly bars here, you can see that from Friday through Sunday, the pound has developed a resistance zone fairly high in the range. We were coming up to the top end here. Let me go ahead and get the pointer on. At the high end, we're looking at 1.9620. So we've got a nice double top that's building in this area here that we need to pay attention to coming into tomorrow's session. So again, this is going to be ideal for taking a couple of different trades. The first one is going to be the counter trend trade. Again, this is detailed out step by step in the quick start videos. Also, I go through several examples on disc number 5. So as a counter trend trade, what we're looking for is the market to trade into an area. In this case, we'd be matching it up, roughly speaking, right about here. So from about 96, 96.24 down to about 9600, we would watch for the market to trade into this area and then look for it to reverse. And this is where we use the 3-bar reversal pattern on the 15-minute bar. That's the 15-minute bar right here. So we would wait for the market to trade into this area, go sideways for a short period of time, and then we would look for an opportunity to sell. If, on the other hand, the market manages to push through our resistance area, that's where we look for the trend continuation trade. And in that case, we're watching for the market to push through and then come back down in a flag pattern or a pennant pattern, indicating that the market is retesting or testing this support area. Now, yes, you can use the 3-bar reversal in a counter trend situation. You can also use my personal favorite, which is the Little Dipper. So let's talk about both. The pennant or flag, as it's coming back up, will typically form a Little Dipper pattern. Remember, that's where the market pushes up and then comes right back down. Again, this is all detailed out in the Quick Start series. So we'd be looking to, as aggressive traders, take a long trade in the support zone down here, looking for it to come back to the upside. 3-bar reversal would be used in the support area here. The other alternative here is trading against a couple of support areas. What makes this a bit difficult is the pound has developed quite a big support area over time. I know in the kit I briefly talked or mentioned a head and shoulders pattern. I talk about it a little bit in the advanced tactics. It really is a very rare pattern, and it doesn't work out as often as I would like it to, and because it doesn't happen very often, and it doesn't work out in a very consistent manner, I don't really highlight it, but I do want to point it out here because there is an example of it. A head and shoulders pattern basically is, like if we had a neck, and you've got one shoulder, two shoulders there. Okay, so this would be the right shoulder and the left shoulder, so we would have the head and shoulders. Okay. Pretty simple, right? There's what's called a reverse head and shoulders, and that would simply be somebody